that I've been successful with AI, I'm wondering why I even keep live bucks on the farm, especially when I come home and things like this have happened. Rising! He's got all the ladies worked up.
Hello.
He's all worked up.
Stop. No, go.
Yeah. So now I have to get him into the pen with all the other crazy boys. And I know Toast is going to want to try to escape when I do it. And I don't know how he got out. I think he slipped through the bottom of the door. Rain over girls? Yeah, that's what I like to see. I don't need $4. I do not need $4. It's too many. Too many boys. They're too big and too stinky and too noisy. Alright. I'm leaving you all for the rest of the day. So you guys, be good, please. Don't tease the boys. I'm just going to do an extra little lock on their fence out here, so if he does slip through that door, hopefully he'll be contained in this fence. It's Wednesday afternoon, or like late morning, and I heard the boys screaming, so I came down to check it out, and Sugar's over by the boys like she's in heat, which is super strange because I have ultrasounded her twice now. I saw babies on both of them. And I even had somebody else ultrasound her while I was ultrasounding the first time to confirm that we were seeing babies. So I'm a little concerned. I'm really hoping that she's not going into heat. What are you doing down here, baby? What are you doing? From her back end, it doesn't seem like she's in heat. I don't see any type of mucus. And I don't see... Well, yeah, basically that. So hopefully she's just acting a little bit weird. I know that Creeper, when she's pregnant, she will go down and tease the boys all the time. So crossing our fingers, that's what it is. Second cut hay. her friend. And we've also been wanting to add some better genetics onto the farm. We weren't completely set on getting a doe this age, another 2024 doe. I've had a few people offer me some does that they've had for sale that they wanted us to buy. And I've reached out to a few people about does I've seen for sale that I liked, but none of them just really fit what I was looking for. So I kind of stopped looking, and then I saw a post on Facebook for this goat. She is a Lucky Run goat, so Lucky Run's a farm in southern Maine. She's about 2 hours from us, and we show with her. She goes to like every show there is up this way, in Maine in general, down in New Hampshire. She's all over those shows too, and she places really, really well. Front of the line, first, many grand champions. This kid's dam got best doe and show, I believe, at a fair this year. She's gotten grand champion a couple times. She's done really, really good at shows this year, and Greg really likes this doe's dam a lot, and he's told me a few times that he really, really likes the look of this goat's dam. And then she's out of a really impressive lakeshore buck that Dawn had purchased, I think last year, because the doe was bred last year. And he was grand champion at the buck show this year, I believe. So just like two really phenomenal goats that were paired up and bred and made this goat. Look at the size difference between these two. Oh, she knows what a milk stand is. Yes, I did.
Watch out.
Huh? Yeah, she does. So much more friendlier than the last ghost you brought home, too.
Oh, definitely, huh? Yeah, she's thick, ain't she? Come on in, girl. You're just not used to living.
Oh, crunch.
She's good here.